All right, so this thing is factored, right? So this time we have an irreducible quadratic. We have this x squared. So it's actually kind of a couple of ways that you could do this, right? So with an x squared, the way that I would write this would be um, a over x plus b over x squared plus c over x plus 2. I'm pretty sure that if you treated this as an irreducible quadratic and you had like an ax plus b over x squared, you're going to end up with the same thing because, look, these things would cancel out. Ax plus b over x squared over x squared. Right, so as long as you kind of recognize that, we're going to end up with the same thing. All right, so let's see what we can do. So at this point, we're pros of multiplying by both sides. All right, so we would get x plus 7 equals a x, right? Because again, we're going to multiply by an x squared, right? So one of those x is going to cancel. So we're going to get a times x plus 2 plus b x plus 2 plus c x squared. All right, so then again, we're going to make some smart choices for what we're going to let x equal. So if we let x equal 0, we're going to get 7. We are going to get 7 equals, this thing is gone, this thing is gone, so we're going to get 2b, so we're going to get b equals 7 over 2. If we let x equal -2, so let x equal -2, again, we're going to get rid of some terms, right? So when we let x equal -2, this is gone, and we're just left with this cx squared. All right, so -2 plus 7 is 5. -2 squared is 4, so we get 4c. So we're going to get c equals 5/4. And then finally, at this point, we've exhausted all the things that cancel things out nicely. So I'm going to just say, let x equal 1. And again, anything you choose works, right? So it's just about making things easy as possible. All right, so we're going to get an 8 equals, we're going to get a times 1 times 2. So that's going to be a 3a. We know that b is 7 over 2. So we're going to get 7 over 2 times 1 plus 2, which is 3. We know c is equal to 5/4, right? So that's going to be times 1. So we're going to end up with 3a plus 21 over 2 plus 5/4 equals 8. I'm just going to multiply everything by 4 because I'm tired and I don't feel like multiplying, doing fractions. All right, so if I multiply everything by 4, I'm going to get 32 is equal to 12a plus 42 plus 5. So that's going to be 47. If I take away 47, I'm going to get -15 is 12a. So a would equal -15 over 12, which is the same thing as -5. Yeah, -5 over 4. All right, so we have our a, b, and c values now. So we're trying to take the antiderivative of, what was a? -5 over 4x. Our b value was 7 over 2 plus 7 over 2x squared. And our c value was something weird, right? 5/4 as well. So we're going to get 5/4 x plus 2 dx. All right, so this is going to be -5/4 natural log of x. 7 over 2x squared, right? That's just a direct integration, right? Pulling that 7 over 2 out. The antiderivative, 1 over x squared would be -1 over x. So this is going to be minus 7 over 2x plus 5 over 4 natural log of x plus 2 plus a constant. And that would be our answer.